In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for car insurance with Progressive. To get started, head to Progressive and begin by requesting a quote. You can do this directly on the website through the Progressive mobile app, over the phone, or with the help of a licensed insurance agent. If you want the fastest self-service option, the website or app is usually the most convenient. The quote is the starting point because it gives you an estimate based on your personal and vehicle details. Next, you'll need to provide your information. Be prepared to enter basic details such as your full name, address, and date of birth. You'll also typically need your driver's license number, along with information about your vehicle, including the year, make, model, and if you have it, the VIN. In addition, Progressive may ask for your driving history and your current insurance information if you already have coverage. It's a good idea to have all of this ready before you begin so the process goes more smoothly and your quote is as accurate as possible. Once your information is entered, you'll move on to choosing your coverage. This is where you select the types of protection that fit your needs. Common options include liability, collision, and comprehensive coverage. You may also see uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage, along with optional add-ons like roadside assistance or rental reimbursement. As you make your selections, pay attention to the coverage limits and think about the level of protection you want versus what you're comfortable paying each month. After that, review your quote carefully, take a close look at the premium, your deductibles, and any discounts that may be available. This step is important because small adjustments to your coverage can change the price significantly. If needed, you can go back and modify your selections before you finalize anything. When you're satisfied with the quote, go ahead and complete your purchase. You'll choose the effective date for your policy, which is the day your coverage begins. Then enter your payment information and pay the initial premium to activate the policy. Make sure the start date lines up with when you actually need coverage, so there's no gap. Finally, once your policy is active, you'll receive your insurance documents. This usually includes your proof of insurance and your full policy documents. You can typically access them online through the Progressive app or by mail, depending on your preferences. And that's how to sign up for car insurance with Progressive.